So this video is how to seamlessly use your Google Calendar to create a Zoom meeting link. I am on April 7th and I'm going to use an existing event that I have created for my advisory. So if I go ahead and open this and edit it with the pencil, this is going to open up for and allow me to modify this particular event. Because I have the Zoom scheduler inserted and installed, I automatically get this blue button. When I go ahead and I click, it will automatically generate everything that I need, including the URL that I need to pass off to my students. And I'll pass this off into Schoology so that they can get it and join the meeting when it's time to join the meeting. What I won't do is I will not use the guests and add the add guest feature, and I will not invite them individually into this. This is what is causing us problems. And this last thing that I would like to point out is here in the Tech Help Center, we highly recommend to avoid Zoom bombing, the latest trolling feature that's happening around the world. We strongly encourage you to use this method and generate a new URL for your meetings for every single class for every single day. And we think that will keep everybody safe here in the high school at SAS. So thank you. When you're finished, you can go ahead and click Save, and your meeting will be generated for Zoom. Thank you.